Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about the recent Supreme Court judgment of Union of India versus Manju Arora. In this case, the bench comprised of Justices R. Subhash Reddy and Rishikesh Roy. In this case, some employees claimed the benefit of assured career progression scheme for the central government civilian employees issued by the Ministry of Personal Public Grievance and Pensions Government of India. So this ACP scheme, that is the Assured Career Progression Scheme, provides for financial upgradation to the next higher grade of pay for those employees who could not get promotion after 12 years of service. So if a person who is working for 12 years at the same post, then they might not get promotion in accordance with the designation, but their pay, that is the salary which they are getting, will be promoted, will be upgraded to the next level. Like if they are right now inspector, but they are inspector for last 12 years, then after 12 years they might not get promotion in accordance with the designation, that they might not be promoted to the level of superintendent, but they will get the pay of the superintendent. So whoever are the superintendents who are getting their salary, whatever is the pay scale for a superintendent, they will get the same pay scale. So they get pay for the next higher grade, but not in actual designation. So this is what is assured career progression, in which the pay scale it gets upgraded, but not the designation. Now, in this case, there are two such employees, that is Suman Lata Bhatia and Manju Arora, who were appointed as senior translator Hindi and were offered promotion to the higher post of translation officer Hindi on regular basis. But due to personal grounds, they refused the offered promotion. However, the benefits under the ACP scheme were given to them. Later, the same were withdrawn on finding that those were wrongly granted, and they challenged this withdrawal of the ACP scheme, and this was challenged before the Central Administrative Tribunal Principal Branch. So when this case went before the tribunal find that this withdrawal was fine, and they were disentitled, that they were not entitled to get this upgradation. Later, when the appeal was filed before the High Court allowed their writ petition and held that employees were rightly given the benefit of first upgradation, which could not be withdrawn. And finally, this case went before the Supreme Court, the apex court of India. Now, when the case went to the Supreme Court, the court said that if a regular promotion is offered but is refused by the employees before becoming entitled to a financial upgradation, then in such case, he or she shall not be entitled to financial upgradation only because she has suffered stagnation. So what here the court is trying to say, that before the completion of the 12 years of service, a person gets promotion and such person refuses to get promoted, then in such case, after 12 years, they are not entitled to get this ACP scheme benefit. So the court also explained that why they are saying this, that why they are of this view, because it is not the case of lack of promotional opportunities, but an employee opting to forfeit the offered promotion for her own personal reasons. And this vital aspect was not appreciated by the High Court, because when such promotions are forfeited, it can be seen, it can be observed that after such refusal to get promotions, there are difficulties in manning the higher position Okay, this difficulty arises. These are the administrative difficulties which are faced, and as the concerned employees very often refuses such promotion in order to continue in their own place of posting, then they cannot entitle to this ACP schemes, to this annual career progression scheme. So this was all about this case. I hope this video was helpful to all of you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And in case you have any query in regard to legal matters or law exams, you can reach out to me on my email ID or on my Instagram ID. The link for the same is provided in the description below. Thank you very much.